it's Ashley from WTI. I have been searching for a carpet powder and I have found it with Sunny and Honey. This is their Carpet Miracle Powder. It is a carpet and rug refresher, and this is in the scent Summer Lemonade. It smells so good. It smells very refreshing, very clean, and it has a distinct lemonade smell to it. I absolutely love this carpet powder because it works really well on freshening my area rug and freshening the carpets near my entrance doors. I also use this in my car and it smells really good. I also use it in my trash can. You can use this on a variety of different areas. You can also use it in diaper pails, maybe your RV, your boat, really whatever you are needing to refresh. And it's really easy to use. All you do is you sprinkle this over where you want to be deodorized. You leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then you vacuum. It's really easy to vacuum this up. I like the consistency of this powder. It is a thicker powder, and so it does not go everywhere when you sprinkle it, and it's very easy to vacuum up and empty out your vacuum. It comes out great. So if you are looking for something that is going to make your house, your car, everything smell amazing, then I would highly recommend this carpet powder from Sunny and Honey, made right here in the States, and it's also cruelty-free. All things that I really enjoy about a product, and I think you will too. But that's just my point of view.